Because GAIL Gas is a 100% subsidiary of GAIL, my parent company, and we have a mission to complete our scope 1 and scope 2 of net zero by 2040 and around 35% of scope 3. So we are working on it and we will be definitely achieving this target. It is an ambitious target and GAIL Gas is already working with it, and to address that we are now going ahead with CBG, we call it, is a compressed biogas projects. GAIL is already doing around 26 CBG plants they are installing. Maybe within 2-3 years it will be completed. So that's compressed biogas will be the people will be using that compressed biogas to the city gas distribution network, and it will be supplied to households and transport sectors. So this is one of the initiatives. Another initiative is hydrogen. Green hydrogen is one of that initiative to have a net zero. And GAIL already installed, I think first in India, we have a 10 megawatt electrolyzer installed in Bijaypur. It is one of our process plant and pipeline headquarters in Madhya Pradesh. And we will be using that hydrogen to the nearby industries. We have got a fertilizer plants nearby that place, and also we will be blending that green hydrogen to our city gas distribution network. Initially we are doing some pilot projects of 5% blending, and probably we will increase it to 10%. And as these hydrogens are being used in our existing carbon steel pipelines, so we are analyzing the effect of hydrogen on the steel pipelines that we are already having. So after that we may increase that particular percentage, but still the limit is now 10%. We will not be increasing that. But whenever the new, when the things will be okay, then we will probably install new pipelines, which we call it as a hydrogen ready materials. So then there will not be an issue with more percentage of blending. But till now it is maximum 10% we will be doing. So now it is around 5% we are blending now. Actually the electrolyzers requires power, and we don't have sufficient green power available in that particular area where we generally install that. So we need to transport that green power through different mechanism. But suppose we have our solar plants or wind energy available in some districts, some other states, where we need to transport that power to here, so that we can tell it is a green hydrogen project. That is the major challenge, that available of green power nearby that areas where we put our electrolyzer is limited, but probably it will be okay in a couple of years' time now. And another thing is that cost, because as it is a very small scale, so cost of production of hydrogen is a little bit more. So it will be very difficult to convince the users, end users, like fertilizers and plants, and they use grey hydrogen. So to convince them to have green hydrogen will be a little bit challenge, but probably they will also be willing to take the green hydrogen also in their PT and all. So it is just a starting. So we are the first one who has put that. So in future probably it will be there. Already you have seen that hydrogens are being used in transport sectors. Some buses and other things are already being used. Right? So there is a potential of using this hydrogen.